Just a quick one. Just a quick one. Very dark man. Has finally do what? Very dark man has finally scam una. Very dark man. Very dark pot. You know, a lot of people, very dark man has bullied on this cyberspace. On this thing called Blue App. And at the end, he end up doing what? He end up scamming the general public. Now, very dark man come outside this morning. They tell of now say, we the citizens in Nigeria say, they don't add, oh, they, very dark man, hope say you know they craze. You can't give us this narrative say they don't hack your account. Now thief you be only near. Which day you they show us say you buy car? Don't just say our market. Now all of na plenty una they contribute money. A lot of people there outside, the way will be say, ordinary to pay their school fees, to pay their children's school fees, they don't have the money. Those less privileged outside there, you cannot help them. They give very dark man. You know, which amount of money where you give the very dark man that day? When he come life, they say thank you. Don't just say give him so amount of money. Now, you don't see all of us mumu. This is a guy where be say, as young as he is, he has no job. All he does on social media is carry that in chest. Carry and come, that is dirty skin. Carry and come social media, they bully women. Now, he come up say he want to do like a charity, whatever, right? And he said he wants to build school. Now all of us, everybody, the whole Nigerians, they do it, and then they wash you, very dark man. On this money, where you carry so? On this huge amount of money, where you carry, where you want shop, now general public donate the money for you. If you don't provide every account of this money, aye lenu last ko ye kirikiri yen o lenu sile fun a very dark man. You don't I don't know what I don't understand. You think say we be fool? Which day you carry motor where you say you buy this car, which work you they do? Where you they show us that jeep? The NGO money where you collect, where then contribute, you carry yourself come, you say you want to do this, you want to build a school, you want to help people, you want to do this, and at the end, you dey do all because say for your own gain, or because say you want make money they enter your pockets. You don't see some people where then they scam people, where then they go scot-free. Very dark man, this one you know go scot-free. Because that money where they inside your pockets, where they your account, now which amount of money? Ole. Mumu. You can't carry the money now. You can't do anything. The project where we say, you say you won't use this money for. Since when they don't give you this money, you not start any project. This one not be government project, so where we say you go talk say okay, one boss or one person now they delay the project. This one na general public money where they don't give you. You know, we not see any school where you build. We not see anything. People where they not see, where they not get money to send their pikin go school, where they not get money to pay for school fees. You know, help them. They contribute huge amount of thousands of dollars for your account, thousands of pounds for your account. You sit down for there. You sit down on top that money, you no do anything. Na kiri go end you, very dark man. You are a thief. Ole nie, ole. How you go do just come, just wake up early morning, come they give all this story? Wetin concern us? Nobody hack your account. You come they carry one officer. Which officer be that one? Officer where you don't bribe. Officer where una don't rehearse. Say before you go live chat o, na the thing where you want make it talk, it be this. Crazy dey worry you. So where you say you want go now? You go come, you go come tell us, those people where they hack the account o, una not see them o. Ogun kill you. Uzo. Fire thunder that your mouth. Wole brukui. All of now, we be say people go come social media. Then go come and give them money, come and donate money here. At the end, una go donate money, then go carry the money, then go shop them like this, put the money for their pocket. All of now when they donate money, now I pity you. They not see una as mumu. Some of you they abroad, some of you they work so hard for your money. Now go they give all these people, go they give them money. We they ask very dark nonsense. Which working they do you no get job? All we know very dark man on this cyberspace now to bully. As they bully woman, they bully man. Come on, Iyabo Ojo where you they abuse. Iyabo Ojo where you don't do series of show for. Iyabo Ojo, we never hear in Iyabo Ojo this thing say Iyabo Ojo don't thief person money. Abi scam people. Iyabo Ojo where you they come for every day, where you they bullying Pikin. We never hear for history or say Iyabo Ojo don't for one scam anybody. That lady, she they work hard for her money. Very dark man. Ori e okpe. Ole nie, you are a ole thief. You can't come, they tell us when they don't hack accounts. Which accounts? When they don't put the money for your accounts. The project where be say you won't use the you not be house. You say you won't build school, you won't do this. Only you won't do everything at a time. You carry that your nonsense thinking out to come, they say sweet word. People fall for your nonsense. Come now, come they tell us, say, come they give us another story. Ogumapai, koni da fun a very dark man. Ofulomashe, wole burukui. For the fact that since ever you been on this social media, now to the talk, to the come for people, to they bring people down. Ori gbogbo won ma mu e wo leri bui. You must give account of that money. They go arrest you, then go carry you go enwon egbere. You go know say this money na general public. You dare no mess with general public money. And you le sise. Afi ke joko now to sit down. They shout where people go, they give you na money, they contribute money. How many months where they don't donate money for your account? How many months they give you that money may you do that project? It's over 3-4 months now. You know do amo. You carry general public money, you put them for your pocket. They buy car. And still they ask you, EFCC need to investigate you. Which work you they do? Where you see money buy that car? That motor where you show us some days ago, where you see money buy am, and they ask you. People they suffer. People they suffer for streets. You know, all that money, you know, gather the money, make you go help them. Christmas come like this. Everybody they do palliative. All the money where they gather give you. You know, take part of farm, go do palliative. Kodi yes, Uzo. Ole. Benny, Princess Larit, olè ni bobo yìí say. O wa scam wa. You know as they drag people. You know you sabi drag people, right? Now so they go drag you. You can't they tell us, you don't know as it they do you since some days ago. Olè pa ẹ́. Ogun pa ẹ́, Ogun. Ìwọ olè burúkú yìí. Olè. Ẹ bá wa kí gbé olè, very dark man, olè. Thief. Omowo general public, carry general public money. You carry and put am for your pocket. You don't carry one officer, not be Naija. Carry one officer, don't bribe. Oga now, you know wetin now, and you go settle this and that. You don't give, whether you give that one like 10,000 or 20,000. You give that one. Wetin go expect me talk? Officer, dey your side. Wetin the officer tell us? Officer, dey something we una say una don rehearse. Officer tell us, officer dey by his side. Wetin concern no? Which officer? Officer for Nigeria. We be say wey they don't see a go like this. Anything enter pocket ni. Olè ni, olè. Ẹ lọ bá wa ṣorin fún very dark man. Ẹ bá wa orin olè. Ẹ bá wa ṣe fún. Ayé ẹ máa ràgàmù. Wo, you know so all this why I know all this nonsense wey they do. When they contribute the money, I no put my mouth. Oh, ni jẹ́ tán lélẹ̀. This one you, because this one way hey, I very dark man. You don't turn us to fool like Mumu. Make I form one story like that, give them. So your own arm robber now daylight they do your own. Now daylight they do your own. Abe bawa mona see very dark man where they tell us story. Ẹ̀yin èyàn, rí pole ni bobo yìí, rí gbogbo all the activities wey they do for this social media ni. Okoko, you they come, you they try, you present yourself, say you be nice boy, this and that. You know they do corruption. All the people for Nigeria, you go they call them where they involve in all this thing. I say you self, you they on by lecture or what? Then they train you underneath that time. Sister Osaseka Roshewa. Kò ní dá fún ẹ, very dark man. Ayé mi. Èdè Bìní dẹ̀ ti sá lọ lórí mi ṣá. Ó fẹ́ fi èdè Bìní ba yí ẹ jẹ́ kí fi bú ẹ. Uzu ọ. Abi which kind nonsense be this? Iyabo Ojo head no catch you now. Iyabo Ojo wey you dey talk, nothing you no fit talk. You bully that lady sote. If not be say she be strong person. Uzuo ole. Sister Osasu, fún mi ní ebu ton fin bunyan ni Bini, gbogbo ẹ. Now when I did secondary school, I dey go Bini go dey do holiday. All the thing don that time I sabi Bini, we go think say I be Bini babe. Gbogbo those kini ẹ ti lọ lórí mi tán. Gbogbo èdè yẹn. Obonya la oko. I think beg you, alagbaja yi. Gbogbo kini yẹn I know at that time. You know say language we know they speak time to time. The thing go vamoose. Only any boy say. Abi which kind nonsense be this one? General public money, wallahi, you go no say general public money no be something where you be say you go do anyhow. Then you never see nothing. That you go learn by force. Now that word go end your life. Now you go end by force. You go learn in kirikiri. Ama ba wa ju esi no kirikiri. Ole. Eba wa ki gbe ole, very dark man, ole, aji owo, general public, ole. Ọ̀fọ́n àlọ́kò nko. Mo fẹ́ lọ wo nìyẹn, màá wá gbé picture ẹ̀sìn, wá jẹ́ ṣégeyà. ó fẹ́ lọ wo ẹni tó kọrin ó lè ọ̀fọ́n àlọ́kó lóhun kó tó gbé kinní kan ẹ bá wa kígbe ó lè o. Mr. Molara ẹ káàárọ̀ ṣẹ́wà. How they go tell us you come with all sort of narrative. You say you won't build, now you won't build this school, you won't build school. Where you no even go school. Which school you finish? You go university, you go poly. Or even if them put you there, now drop out to do. Now you won't build school. Now you won't do this. You carry 10 things at a time. 10 in come wa oko papo lo fe se lekan. I want don just say they see people for main road where they no see where to sleep. All those money they no go carry and go markets. When they say 10 people, oh yeah, go start business with this money, then they give very dark man. Now one they encourage nonsense. Very dark man will be saying intention no good. Now to come all this why when they come outside they yarn nonsense. If they find way, if they find miss, we go take thief. Ole. Wa je shegeya. O ti mo kankan. O sọ pé you don't know how your body they do you since some days ago. You never seen nothing. You go no say when they donate money, general public money where they donate, you know go no say no be something where you go tamper with. How many days where they don't donate that money for you? You no do that thing. You no do that project. You carry the money, put them for your pocket there. They tell us, say one time you come with one narrative. You don't go build website for that security day for that where the money day. Nothing go do one. Or how many days ago how many months ago you talk that one? You can't go rehearse. You can't go. You they do rehearsal. They say now the thing where you go can't tell us. Ogun ma pa ẹ́. In as much as mi kì í ṣe pé wá jẹ́ ìpele yìí. Ogun ó ma pa ẹ́. Ìwọ very dark radarada yìí. Ó lè. Very dark nonsense. Very dark shit. Very dark pots. Onídọ̀tí. Where your skin you go carry shirts like this. Shirts where they carry where the skin no even good. Abi which kind of bagba be this boy? You know how much millions of naira where they don't be this money where we know they talk about 50 million no. We know they talk about 100 million. Could they need that from a very dark man? Olórí burúkú làwọn tó bí ẹni. Ẹ má gbà mí kẹ́. Omo general public. You carry general public money. You shop am. You can't tell us nonsense. What's it be this guy name? Association of àwọn ẹran mi létí yeye Yinka. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹran mi létí kí lórúkọ bọ̀bọ́ tí Mohbad pariwo tó bully Mohbad títí. Èyí tó ń kọrin yẹn kí lórúkọ bọ̀bọ́ tó ń kọrin yẹn rán mi létí campus wọn yẹn. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn rán mi létí now. Mona remind I don't forget that guy name. When Mohbad they shout where we see all the video where they bully Mohbad. That musician kí lórúkọ bọ̀bọ́ onígbó yẹn tó máa mú gbó yẹn. That guy now tí ó ń bully tó ń bully Mohbad. Tarohun àti very dark man papọ̀ lẹ́nu jọ́ mẹ́ta yìí. Naira Marley ẹ ṣé jàre sister Dúpẹ́. Naira Marley. Now so you come when justice for Mohbad first start. People they talk. Now so you distract people up to today. When you they come out say that you come out with narratives, say mean they ask for your DNA. Your papa will born you, your mama will born you. They do your own DNA. They tell you say now your mama born you for your papa. Kò ní jẹ́ ẹsẹ̀. Ìwọ lè burúkú yìí. Now so Naira Marley give you money. Una no go talk. All of una wanna they collect on that G money. Una no go talk. After when I don't hide down. Last month we see you and Naira Marley together for club. No be then they send you. No be then they give you money. Maybe now you won't roll with big boys. Abi? Ole. Uzo. Kò ní dá fún a very dark man. Ayé ẹ máa raga mo fi ó máa ra basketball. Tó ló ya wèrè ni. Kò tí ẹ ṣe tó ṣe bully Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Orí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wà mú ẹ. Ìyẹn máa fi ẹ̀rẹ̀rìn bí tó bá wà ní. Ele tó sọ pé rẹ̀ ní Máyọ̀wá pé ebi ń pa òun yẹn, ebi yẹn lápá ẹkú. Tó bá tún wá comment rẹ̀ ebi ń pẹ́ ń bí báyìí. Tẹ́ lè lọ ṣiṣẹ́. Ó lọ́wọ́ tó lè fi ṣiṣẹ́. Ebi ń pa ẹ́. Ó jẹ́ kí n ṣe sí blocking ni. Òun fẹ́ kọ́ fún ẹ lówó ọjọ́ mélòó ló bá mi share fídíò mi. Ẹ wá kọ long episode ẹ̀rọ oúnjẹ jẹ láti last year. Mo lè rówó ra data tó fi ń type. Ara olè tán olè gbogbo yín yẹn. Àbí irú bọ̀bọ̀ wo lélẹ̀? Bọ̀bọ̀ ìwà àbájáyé ó kò rò pé ọ̀dẹ̀ ni wá ni. You don't say we be mumu. Without huge amount of money, no be 100 million, no, this money where we dey talk about. Ó máa ṣòfò ní very dark man. Kirikiri yẹn ló máa gbẹ̀yìn ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀. Lórí ilé tó ṣe yìí. Wo, the whole world is watching you. Ṣó ló ya wèrè. All this while you dey come outside, you dey talk noise, they run your mouth. I say, your intention no good. Towards that NGO where you say you dey. I just dey hear that day where you dey hear very dark man too don get NGO. Abolori burúkú ni ẹni. Ó sáré lọ register NGO. Ó fẹ́ wá máa fi kówó jẹ. Àwọn tó approve yín NGO yẹn, ṣé wọ́n ní kẹ́ máa fi kówó jẹ kiri ni? Mi bí ẹni o ṣọ́ ní kẹ́ máa fi kówó jẹ kiri. Eléribú ó ti jẹ́ kí n gbàgbé kíní tí mo fẹ́ fi sójú kíní. Ẹ má bínú 1 second. Ètò ká mi lára jù lélẹ̀. Ẹ ti rí phone number wa ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Now my phone number dey there to order for ginger. Ginger is available. So just call that number. Call me or send me a text message, whichever one that is okay for you. Come and order ginger. We have ginger. See, ẹ lọ ka gbogbo kíní yẹn ríṣẹ́. All the work wey that ginger dey do, na him dey there. Very dark nonsense. You too, you won't live large. You want to live for nice apartments. They carry nice ride. They inside your ride. They do waiting. They play gbedu. Ole. You know if you work. Now maybe wo. This money where you carry so. Shipping is not included, Joe. You have to pay for shipping. If you want to order for it, shipping is not included the price. So, ẹ máa sanwó shipping lọ́tọ̀. Èèyàn tí mo ti fẹ́ lọ send sí ní Texas gan. Mo ti máa lọ send ẹ lọ́sàn yìí. Mo ti máa send it lọ́sàn ẹni yẹn ó ti sanwó látànà. So once you pay for it, ẹ bá sanwó, once you pay now, I'm buying ship mi daily ni. So that ginger is really, really good. Àwọn èèyàn tí ó wà ní Maryland ń bí báyìí tí wọ́n ọ̀dẹ̀ Ọlọ́run wọ́n wò. Èmi sọ pé wò tó bá ti tán báyìí òun ṣá máa pè ní kóun tún order mi sí nígbà tó oríṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni shipping is not free. Shipping is not you have to pay for shipping separately. Kò ṣe free o. Mo sì bí tán ti ṣe shipping free o. Olúwa ẹ máa jẹ gbèsè ni. Ó lè ní very dark man máa bá wa kí gbólè. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní kíní yẹn ẹ lọ bá wa tẹ́ gbójú jáde. ẹ mọ̀ pé easy fẹ́yìn tẹ́ gbójú jáde ẹ lọ bá wa gbogbo kíní ẹ̀yẹn ẹ lọ bá wa ṣe kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lè sí lára. Speak English o, no be English I dey speak since watching you Igbos or na English mo ti sọ látẹ̀kan ẹ jọ̀ọ́. I say very dark man he don't do 419 for us. Very dark man don't use general public money. He don't carry am for him pockets. He don't spend the money, use the money buy car. Jeep to gbé jáde lẹ́nu last week in bí báyìí ni. He come now, come they tell us another story, giving us nonsense story. That when somebody hijack the something, kò ní dá fún a very dark man. Akako, akani. Okonji, you just sleep. You go say wetin you go. How many months wey dem don give you this money now? People they drag you for online say very dark man. You know they talk about this money. You use this money go dey buy car. Very dark man. Which work you dey do? You can't wake up this morning. Can't come up with another narrative. Say you know wetin I go tell these people. I go just tell them say akati onti aki account. Ileribu. Oh, you can't carry one nonsense in your kosegbe. Don't put any officer. Which officer? Officer where you don't give money. Officer where you don't bribe. No be Nigeria. Won't let any more we lo more in Nigeria. No be this Nigeria. Once you don't you don't squeeze the money, put down for pocket for them. You can't waiting be waiting that officer where they call us. Waiting be the main Coco, waiting, what's the big deal? Where you they tell us about one officer they beside you. So you won't give us picture, say you carry the officer go just now come back. Then come they tell you now, say when you reach there, say then they tell you now, say nothing you have the thing do, say they don't come like that. It don't go like that. Now the thing outcome nkan tó fẹ́ wá sọ nìyẹn. Èmi tí mo nkan tó fẹ́ wá sọ. Say when you come back from Kinio, say see officer self can testify to it. Officer they there when they talk can officer go testify. No be that is the reason why you carry that man beside you. Ole. Eba waki go le mo very dark man. O jale ni. I'm glad the whole universe, the whole Nigeria, everybody don't know the way you dey operate now. Everybody don't know saying you be ole or gbagba. So people where you they condemn, they are far better than you. Ole. Officer don't collect your own share. Mo yeti don't just say to gbé sílẹ̀ ni. Don't just say you get that kind money. You know if you go that Lagos, even na Yaba, the under bridge Yaba. If not 10 people, may you empower them. If you know even if you know if you go that Yaba, go they give them money. Why you know person where you trust? If na man or woman, call one of them, send them, say make them go. This money let me go distribute them for people. You go they give very dark nonsense. Very dark. Since when you don't give very dark man the money, you don't do anything. You just collect your money. A lot of now wanna contribute for very dark man. Over 100 million. That money no be 150 million. Koda no be 180 million. It pass 180 million. Kosh account yẹn dáadáa ni. Ole. Wàá jẹ ṣégeyà. Ṣolo lórí burúkú ni ẹ́. Gbogbo obìnrin tó tin bully lójoojúmọ́. All the women wey you don dey bully. This time around, you two you go feed the eat. You go know say public fund no be something you go tamper with. Because when they say public fund, na different type of people contribute money towards that something. Wole buruku yi. People where they come they talk, they carry their matter, they are better than you. We know here say there's scam anybody. Small boy like you are not up to 40 years. You cannot work. You still have bone to work. You are doing Yahoo. You are doing ogbagba lórí social media fún wa. You come up, build the school. Oh, you don't know the narrative way they give us. You want build school, you want do this, you want help the less privileged. Now, some woman come outside maybe last month, where the woman they cry for online, say you say you want help her, you don't use the name, you collect money in social media, you don't do anything for her. The woman the following day, the woman come outside, can't do another video, say you no need to make you help me collect money again. Because you know, say if you collect that money, 75% they go your account. Now 25% they give that woman. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ bá lè ń ṣe charity, tẹ́ ní good at tẹ́ fi ń jalè. Àṣírí yín ò ní bò ṣe. Torí owó orí olórí, owó olówó, àwọn èèyàn online no contribute owó fún yín. Not all years. Auntie Juliana ni not up to 30 years. Can you imagine? Ọmọ tí ó ti pé 30 years tó mú ṣe olè. Tó mú ṣe olè tó ń gbá àwọn èèyàn. Ká kúlù fún ẹ. Olè, àwa ṣàyà bí eléyìí. Gbogbo ìgẹ̀, gbogbo àwọn ọkùnrin tán rí tán ní gẹ̀, ìgẹ̀ wọn ó gbogbo skin wọn ó máa make sense. Your skin ó wà irritating, ó smell. Very dark man, you're smelling. Now you they talk, say, you're gonna learn. And you gonna learn in a hard way. Very dark man. Now you go learn in a hard way. Ole nie. That word, Iwo lórúkọ yẹn. Now you go, that last. Now that you gonna learn in a hard way. Now you go finish your ìgbésí ayé. Ole. They tell us, they say, you just wake up, say, me, you can't give us story. You dey craze o ti ṣiere come up with another one story like that. So we dey wait for you. That just where you go, we dey wait. Make you come back, come give us nonsense story where you want give us. All the thing where we want here be say no, all those people where they hack your account, they don't give you back. Now the thing where we want, where they hack that account, they don't give you back. Now the thing where we want here be that, may you could release that money. That project where you say you want use the money for, may you use them for No can they give us nonsense story. So you don't go where then they carry motor, they son dear, they pay small. So you now the thing where you want to be that. So that you go just use that general public money, pay for your car at once. After you, so you think say we be fool? People they abroad, they work so hard for their money. So after now, all this nonsense story where they tell us, make people some fool then go see they contribute money for you. I want a daughter. Ẹ bá wa bí o. How possible? And we want to know. No be you say you don't have this app or it is secure. Abi how many months ago when they talk about the app? You know, when you say you go screenshot the amount for us, say me, they know, say the money they intact. How many months ago when you talk? You say you don't be this app where you say it is secure. Say it is secure. Say see all the money they there. Make they know say I be not the picture where they give us that time. And when you go create awareness from kini yo, because now so all of them go they do. Then go hide under the name of say then they do charity. Ejemolo battery me to low. Very dark man. My battery don't low. I go when I get time, you go see. I go come do waiting. I go come give you woto. You must this money. You no go like that. Sure, you go learn. You not go learn in a hard way that you be saying. On this time around, very dark man, you gonna learn in a hard way. Hard way. You to normal learn. People when they tell say that now then go learn. Now you go learn by force. Uzo. Olè. Thief. Kò ní dá fún ẹ, very dark man. Ayé ẹ máa ó máa ra gamofi lórí social media yìí. Àwa labas keshin. Olè. Ọdẹ ló pa àwọn tó dáwó fún ẹ. Those people self, they gonna wọ́n máa feel disappointed. Say, so this is how this boy is. You are a olè, you are a thief, you are 419. Ọ̀gbàgbà. Daylight ni wọ́n rọ́ọ̀bù àwọn èèyàn, very dark man. Ẹ gbà wá lọ́wọ́ very dark man o. Ó ti gbowó àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà rere lọ. I'll see you guys later. My battery is low. Bye bye. Come and order for ginger. Ginger is available. Call us on that number. Bye for now.